Vivo is reported to speak more about Origin OS during its 2020 Vivo Developer Conference on November 19. Highlights: Vivo Developer Conference 2020 will focus on IoT and games as well. There is no clarity on when Origin OS will be launched. Origin OS is expected to feature a brand new interface. Vivo is reportedly replacing Funtouch OS with an all-new avatar and a name that is Origin OS. Noted tipster Digital Chat Station says that Vivo has confirmed this via its official WeChat account that they will launch Origin OS soon. The exact launch date is now known, but Vivo will speak more about this brand new software during its 2020 Vivo Developer Conference on November 19. This conference is scheduled to be held in Shenzhen and it will focus on the new OS, IoT, apps, games, and other topics. SeekDevice cites tipster Digital Chat Station to report that Origin OS is all set to launch soon. This new software will replace Vivo's current Funtouch OS. The tipster claims that Vivo has confirmed this development through its official WeChat account and says that more details on this OS will be shared during the developer conference. An exact date for the rollout of this new Origin OS is not known. There is also no clarity on which phone will get it first. While there is no information on all the changes Origin OS plans to bring, the tipster reportedly says that it will be a significant improvement over the current Funtouch OS. Also, in one of the past Weibo posts, Digital Chat Station suggested that Origin OS will be one of the best Android UI custom skins out there. We expect Vivo to release more information about Origin OS at Developer Conference in November. Vivo recently scored very poorly in research firm Counterpoint's trust ranking for 2020. According to their findings, only 24% of Vivo phones sold between the period Q3 2019 to Q2 2020 were updated to Android 10. A large percentage of phones still remain on Android 9 Pie, and a significant chunk is stuck on Android Oreo as well. The company was also called out for being inconsistent with their security patches as well. Thank you.
Audio Jungle.